Alright, today I'm going to do another tech blog on inversions. This time I'm going to do it on pendulums in inversions, like doing an inversion, then adding a pendulum into it to switch up the inversion essentially. And I have mostly I think just two patterns for you today, so I'm going to break them down as good as I can. So the first one is originates from a same time opposite direction butterfly inversion, just like this, which you can do on both sides like that. And the pendulum is with the hand that initiates the inversion. So for doing it on this side, it'd be the pink one right there, initiates the inversion by coming up through the negative space like that. And what it's going to do is it's going to go in and then pendulum out and just pop right back out like that. So it goes in and out. But when you do that, you go from opposites, this one pendulums, and then you come out in same time. And I'll show you what that looks like. Just like that. And you can do it on the other side, same way. So in order to repeat it, so you start with the pink one initiating and doing the pendulum. You do it once and then you come out in split time same direction, and then you just pendulum it out and back into opposites to start on the other side. So do that one more time, add a little slow-mo so you can see it a little easier. I do believe after you do the pendulum, you could just hold it. Oops. You could just come out and hold the inversion right there if you wanted to, and then go back out into butterfly and restart it. So that's that one. The next one is there's a few things you can do with it, but it is doing a pendulum and starting with the split ops inversion instead of the same time opposite direction inversion. So it's that inversion right there. But what you're really doing is you're starting in split opposite direction, but as you go to this side to start the inversion, you see what I did there? The one on the bottom coming up actually just pendulums out and then swings in. So you're actually switching into same direction, like that. There's a lot of cool things you can do with this. And one thing that I found to do is kind of do like you can do this pattern right here, like the triquetra versus extension, except for the triquetra hand does an inversion. So as it comes across the bottom, after it makes that bottom pedal, it swings in like that. And what the pendulum one's going to do is swing through the negative space. So the pendulum hand, if you imagine like hands together like this, and you're doing a pendulum, instead of just staying in the front, as it goes over the top, you actually bring it through that inside space right there. And that's how you get out of the inversion, is by doing that. And I'll show you from this side. Just like that. So now you can do it where you just open up and repeat it on the same side, or you can switch sides just by adding an extra beat in the extension like that. And Here's a little slow-mo for you. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys can work that out and have fun with it.